Today I am reviewing the Rabbit Air A3SBA 1000 in-air purifier HEPA filter. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're living in a household with beloved pets, you already know that as much as we adore our furry family members, managing the constant influx of pet dander, loose animal hair, stubborn odors, and unseen airborne allergens can feel like an absolute uphill battle. It is not just about keeping the floors swept, it is about the very quality of the air that you, your children, and your pets are breathing into your lungs 24 hours a day. That is exactly why the Rabbit Air A3SBA 1000 in-air purifier is making such a massive waves in the home wellness space. This premium, wireless-enabled, and award-winning intelligent air purifier is specifically engineered to tackle heavy-duty allergens, dust, volatile organic compounds, and intense household odors while offering unparalleled aesthetic flexibility and near-silent performance. Today, we are going to dive into an exceptionally thorough, long-term review of this high-end unit to see how it completely redefines indoor air quality management. Right off the bat, let us look at the design, because Rabbit Air has done something truly revolutionary with the physical form factor of the A3. Most high-performance air purifiers on the market are giant, awkward, plastic boxes that sit in the middle of your floor, taking up valuable real estate and creating an immediate tripping hazard for kids and pets. The A3 completely shatters that mold with an incredibly sleek, low-profile design that is fully wall-mountable. It actually comes with a dedicated mounting bracket and built-in level, so you can securely hang it flat against your wall like a piece of modern art, entirely saving your floor space and keeping it completely out of reach from curious pets. This brilliant marriage of form and function has earned the A3 some of the most prestigious global design honors, including the IF, Red Dot, and German Design Awards. But what truly matters is what is happening under the hood, and the A3 features a staggering, fully customizable 6-stage filtration and deodorization system. It begins with a durable, washable pre-filter that captures large debris like floating pet hair and massive dust bunnies. Next is a medium filter that traps particles larger than 1 micron, such as heavy pollen and initial dander layers. Then, it flows into a dual-hive activated carbon filter, which utilizes premium, granular charcoal arranged in a complex geometric lattice to maximize air-to-carbon contact, effortlessly trapping chemical fumes, smoke, and stubborn kitchen cooking odors. The fourth stage is the advanced BioGS HEPA filter. Unlike a standard, baseline HEPA filter that simply blocks particles until it clogs, the BioGS material uses an electrostatically charged, proprietary fiber structure that removes over 99.99% of airborne particles down to 0.01 microns, preventing bacterial and viral growth on the filter itself to prolong peak efficiency. The fifth stage is where you get to customize your machine based on your exact household needs. Rabbit Air allows you to choose from 4 highly specialized custom filters: germ defense, toxin absorber, odor remover, or the pet allergy filter. For pet owners, the pet allergy filter is an absolute lifesaver, specifically treated to break down pet-specific allergens and neutralize animal odors at a molecular level. Finally, the 6th stage utilizes an optional healthy negative ion generator to clump remaining microscopic particles together so they are easily pulled out of the air. In terms of raw performance, the A3 is an absolute heavyweight. It easily handles large, open-concept residential spaces, covering up to 1,070 square feet based on 2 complete air changes per hour. It cycles an astonishing 8,560 cubic feet of air every 30 minutes, ensuring that stale, contaminated air is constantly being scrubbed and refreshed. Despite this massive air-moving capacity, the advanced brushless direct current motor operates with whisper-quiet acoustic engineering. On its lowest speed setting, it purrs at a virtually silent 20.3 decibels. It is so completely quiet that you will genuinely forget it is even running, making it the absolute perfect choice for master bedrooms, infant nurseries, and quiet home offices where intrusive fan hums or motor buzzes would disrupt your family's sleep architecture or your daily concentration. The user experience is entirely modern and seamless thanks to integrated Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth capabilities. By downloading the official Rabbit Air app, you gain total, synchronized control over your environment from anywhere in the world. The unit features 3-element sensing that constantly monitors microscopic particles, environmental odors, and ambient light levels in real time. When you leave the machine in auto mode, it stays whisper quiet until you start frying food in the kitchen or your pets kick up a cloud of dust, at which point the sensors instantly register the threat and smoothly ramp up the fan speed until the air quality returns to an excellent rating. At night, the integrated light sensor automatically dims the unit's customizable mood lighting to prevent light pollution in your bedroom. Furthermore, the app incorporates advanced near-field communication technology to track your filter life precisely over a full 12 months of continuous 24/7 use, letting you know exactly when it is time to order a replacement with zero guesswork. When you look at the entire ecosystem, the Rabbit Air A3 SBA 1000N is not just a standard appliance. It is an investment in long-term health, respiratory comfort, and home design. It completely eliminates the chore of constant maintenance, delivers scientifically backed air clearance, certified asthma and allergy-friendly, and hides beautifully on your wall while operating in absolute silence. Backed by an industry-leading 5-year warranty on parts and labor, it delivers unparalleled peace of mind. If you are ready to banish pet allergies, dust, and odors from your home for good while elevating your interior design, the Rabbit Air A3 is an exceptional choice that will make every single breath feel incredibly crisp, clean, and completely refreshed.